Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you an amazing collection of scrap metal art and decor ideas that will inspire your creativity and even open doors for a small-scale business from home. Whether you are an artist, a DIY enthusiast, or someone who loves unique decor, this video is packed with ideas you'll love. Metal art is any artwork created from bronze, gold, tin, silver, iron, or other metal alloys like aluminum. It can be functional, decorative, or both. Since ancient times, humans have had a natural desire to create objects that are not only useful but also beautiful. Even in the Bronze Age, cups, bowls, and other items were hammered and shaped for both practical and decorative purposes. Today, scrap metal art has evolved into an incredible medium for modern decor, luxury design, and one-of-a-kind art pieces. Let's first talk about some of the metals used in scrap metal art. Iron is one of the most common metals and has been used for centuries. It is strong, durable, and versatile. Ancient civilizations used iron to make tools, sculptures, and decorative objects. Iron can rust when exposed to moisture, but with protective coatings like zinc or paint, it becomes long-lasting. Artists use iron to make garden sculptures, wall decor, furniture, and even jewelry. Cast iron, wrought iron, and steel each have unique properties. Cast iron is hard and brittle, making it ideal for traditional items like stoves or fireplace accessories. Wrought iron is more malleable and can be shaped into intricate designs for gates, railings, and furniture. Steel, especially stainless steel, is shiny, durable, and resistant to rust. This makes it perfect for modern, contemporary scrap metal art that is both strong and beautiful. Tin is another fascinating material. It is lightweight, malleable, and perfect for wall art, figurines, signs, and ornaments. Tin can be stamped, crimped, or shaped into detailed designs, and even recycled tin pieces can be transformed into stunning art. This is why tin has been used historically in places like Mexico since the 16th century to create vibrant, durable, and functional artworks. Copper is equally impressive. Pure copper has been used for coins, tools, statues, and household items for centuries. It is durable, easy to shape, and can be alloyed with silver or zinc for added strength. Copper is widely used in modern metal art for sculptures, wall decor, lighting fixtures, vases, and jewelry. Its shiny reddish surface gives a warm, luxurious feel to any piece. Bronze and brass are also popular in scrap metal art. Bronze, a mixture of copper and tin, has been used since ancient times for statues and decorative objects. Brass, an alloy of copper and zinc, adds golden tones and strength. Artists often combine different metals to create contrast, texture, and visual interest in their artworks. Now let's talk about some exciting ideas for scrap metal art that you can create. Animal sculptures are extremely popular. Horses, eagles, lions, wolves, and deer made from welded scrap metal are both striking and unique. Wall art made from gears, chains, and metal sheets can bring an industrial, modern feel to any space. Garden sculptures like metal flowers, birds, or abstract structures add character and charm to outdoor spaces. Functional items like lamps, chandeliers, furniture, and clocks can be crafted from recycled metal to create statement pieces that are both practical and beautiful. Every piece in scrap metal art is handmade, giving it personality and uniqueness that mass-produced items simply cannot match. Even small details like welded patterns, textures, and finishes make a huge difference in the final piece. Using recycled or scrap materials not only gives new life to discarded objects but also reduces waste, making it an eco-friendly choice for home decor. One of the best things about scrap metal art is that it can also be a profitable venture. With some basic tools, welding skills, and creativity, you can start making your own pieces at home and sell them online, at local markets, or even to interior designers and art collectors. Starting small, like making decorative sculptures or wall art, is easy, and as your skills grow, you can scale up to larger installations and luxury pieces. If you are inspired to start your own project, you can experiment with different metals, textures, and finishes. Combining metals like copper, bronze, and steel can create stunning contrasts. Adding patina, polish, or paint can give your pieces a high-end, gallery-quality finish. Remember, the most important part is creativity. You can turn even the simplest scrap pieces into something extraordinary. Let's look at some real examples of scrap metal art. Imagine a life-sized horse sculpture made entirely from welded iron parts, with every detail crafted to perfection. Or a wall-mounted eagle sculpture with wings spread wide, made from recycled gears and sheet metal. Think of a rustic metal tree sculpture with twisted branches, perfect for a garden or living space. Industrial lamps, abstract human faces, and even miniature metal robots are just a few of the limitless possibilities. Every project you take on improves your skills and expands your imagination. Working with scrap metal is a combination of engineering, art, and storytelling. Each piece tells a story, whether it's a dragon rising from welded sheets, a butterfly perched delicately on a branch, or a knight standing tall in a dynamic pose. These sculptures don't just decorate a space, they become the focal point, conversation starter, and source of inspiration. If you are thinking about selling your creations, remember that presentation is key. Cinematic lighting, a clean background, and professional photography can make your work look gallery-ready. Highlight textures, shadows, and metallic finishes to make your art pop on social media or YouTube. Unique, well-photographed pieces tend to go viral and attract collectors and buyers. Scrap metal art is not only about making beautiful objects. It's about sustainability, creativity, and turning ordinary materials into extraordinary art. Each piece you create adds value, personality, and a touch of luxury to any space. Whether it's for your home, a gift, or a business, the possibilities are endless. We hope this video has inspired you to start your next scrap metal project. Let us know in the comments which design idea excited you the most and why. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative ideas, DIY inspiration, and modern decor trends. Thank you for watching until the end. Stay safe, stay inspired, and keep creating. We will see you in the next video, where we'll explore even more scrap metal art and innovative decor ideas.